Hello dear students, welcome to history class. Chapter number 2, New Kings and Kingdoms for class 7th, part 8. In previous parts, you have completed lesson and also words, difficult words. And today's topic is the exercise part. So, before I am studying exercise part, all of you open social science textbook. In that textbook, page number 14, you should be open there. Okay? And first exercise is there here, fill in the blanks. See here students. Fill in the blanks. Okay students, I am writing direct answers and you should be writing history notebook, question with answer. All questions are there here, page number 14. Okay. In fill in the blanks, question number 1 is the tripartite struggle was over the area of tripartite. Tripartite dynasties are there here in this part, in this chapter you have learnt the Palas dynasty, the Gurjara Pratiharas dynasty and the Rashtrakutas dynasty. These are the tripartite. These three dynasties struggle over to the Kannauj. Okay? The question is there here. The tripartite struggle was over the area of Kannauj. Area of Kannauj. Okay. Second question. The Rashtrakuta dynasty was founded by. The Rashtrakuta dynasty founded by whom? The second answer is Danti Durga. Danti Durga. And answer number 3. See here students. The Pala dynasty was founded by. The answer Gopala. Question number 4. Dash traced their origin to Han tribes. Dash traced to origin of Han tribes. Han tribes, they are the Pratiharas. Pratiharas. Question number 5. The Chauhans ruled in Dash. The Chauhans were ruled in Shakambari. Shakambari. So, these are the 5 answers of fill in the blanks. But you should be right question with answer in fair book. History fair book. Question you should be right blue pen and answers you should be right black pen in fill in the blanks. Part A. Okay. So, once again I am repeating fill in the blanks. The tripartite struggle was over the area of Kannauj. Second question, fill in the blanks. The Rashtrakuta dynasty was founded by Danti Durga. Okay. And question number 3, the Pala dynasty was founded by Gopala. And question number 4, Dash traced their origin to Han tribes, the Pratiharas. Question number 5, the Chauhans ruled to Shakambari. Okay students, part A, fill in the blanks completed here. So, next part B, I am continuing here. Part B is the tick the correct option. So here also I am writing only answers. So you see page number 14, part B, questions. Question number 1. According to the Tibetan monk Taranatha, Gopala was elected to the king in the 8th century CE. Once again you see, question number 1, take the correct option, part B. According to the Tibetan monk Taranatha, Gopala was elected to be the king in the 8th century CE. Options are there. Option A, by the local leaders of the region. Option B, by universal idol franchisee. Option C, by the eldest man in the region. Option D, by Gopala's brothers. The answer is there. By the local leaders. Local leaders of the region. Okay, it's the first answer. Option A is the right answer. Okay, next question number 2. According to the Arab sources, the most powerful of 3 dynasties were option A, Rashtrakutas, option B, Palas, option C, Pratiharas. In these 3 dynasties, one dynasty is the most powerful dynasty. So that dynasty is there. The right answer is option A, Rashtrakutas. Rashtrakutas. So next one, question number 3. The founder of Rashtrakuta dynasty was. The founder of Rashtrakuta dynasty was. Option A, Danti Durga. Option B, Devapala. Option C, Amogavarsha. And option D, Rajendra I. The right answer is there, Danti Durga. Danti Durga. Next, question number 4. In 9th century CE, the Pallavas were defeated and uprooted by the Pallavas. In the 9th century, the Pallavas were defeated to whom? Pandyas. Option A is Pandyas. Option B, Pallavas. Option C, Rashtrakutas. Option D, Cholas. The Pandyas are the right answer. Next, question number 5. Pattanams began as center of. Pattanams began as center of. Option A, exchange. Option B, art and culture. Option C, learning. Option D, administrative activity. See students, Pattanams you have learnt in this chapter, these are the exchanging the goods. Exchange the goods in the market. Okay. So, right answer is there, exchange. Right answer is there, exchange. Okay students. Tick the correct option is completed here. 5 questions. But once again, I repeating here. See a student, part B, tick the correct option. Question number 1. According to the Tibetan monk Taranatha, Gopala was elected to be the king in the 8th century CE. The right answer is by the local leaders of the region. Question number 2. According to the Arab sources, the most powerful of 3 dynasties were. The answer is Rashtrakuta dynasty was most powerful dynasty. And question number 3. The founder of Rashtrakuta dynasty was. The answer is Danti Durga. Question number 4. In the 9th century CE, the Pallavas were defeated and uprooted by the Pandyas. And question number 5. Pattanams began as centers of exchange. Okay, students, you should be right question with answer. Don't write direct answers. Okay, you should be right. Page number 14, you open and write it answer. And today's topic, fill in the blanks and tick the correct options are completed here. So, fill in the blanks. Once again, you see students. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The tripartite struggle was over the area of. The answer is Kannauj. Second, the Rashtrakuta dynasty was founded by Danti Durga. The answer is Danti Durga. Question number 3. The Pala dynasty was founded by Gopala. Question number 4. The Pratiharas traced their origin to Han tribes. And question number 5. The Chauhans ruled in Shakambari. Okay, students, fill in the blanks and take the correct options are completed here. So, you should be right neatly in history notebook. So, in fill in the blanks and take the correct options, questions should be right blue pen and answers should be right black pen. And after completing your work, you send it my WhatsApp number. Otherwise, your handwriting should be not neat is a means again you rewrite that all exercise part. So, you should be neat handwriting right. Okay. So, today's topic exercise part, fill in the blanks and tick the correct options are completed here. And next part I am continuing in next session. Thank you.